those superheroes. It's Miss Jackie. I'm so happy to see you. Welcome to Miss Gussie's Place Virtual Summer Camp. We are going to have a wonderful time. Now, I hope you've gotten your kits in the mail in your it should be a big box. And inside of your kit, you have lots of fun things that you're gonna use right along with us as we're doing the things. You're gonna be doing them also at home. Today, get ready, drum roll. Today, we're gonna go on our great farm adventure. We're gonna visit a farm. So we're gonna take a trip to the farm. This is our great farm adventure. Get ready, get your books out. It should look just like this. This is in your kit. And I'm gonna tell you, every time that we come across an animal, like what about a horse? So we'll see a horse on the farm, then you'll open your book and say, let me find the horse. There it is. And then you can look at the horse in your book. You can touch the texture right next to the horse and know exactly what he feels like. Then you look up at the screen and say, hey, now there's the real thing. So we're gonna have so much fun. So get your books out and get ready for our farm adventure. Put your hat on, put your most comfortable shoes on, and let's go. Come on, guys.
Jackie.
Hey.
Look, we just came to a good friend of mine's beautiful farm. Isn't this beautiful?
This is magnificent. I love it. Oh, it's so beautiful. Look at these trees. Are we gonna see some horses?
Oh, absolutely.
Wow. What about a cow?
Probably gonna see my good friend, Farmer Patrick. This is Miss Jackie.
Patrick.
How are you doing?
Nice to meet you.
And who is this?
This is Sweet Tea.
Sweet Tea.
Wow. Hey, Sweet Tea.
Sweet Tea.
How you doing?
Sweet Tea she is a 24-year-old quarter horse.
Sweet Tea, can I touch you?
Oh yeah, she's super friendly.
Oh my goodness. Hey, sweetie. Hey, you're so sweet.
And she's calling her friends. She was telling them, come see. We have Miss Jackie and Mr. McDonald here. So they'll come down and say hi in just a little.
Okay. Wow. You are so beautiful, Sweet Tea. Thank you.
So Farmer Patrick,
Uh-huh.
I got quite a few horses on my farm, but I don't know if I've seen one just like this. Can you tell everybody about this one?
Yes. Well, let me tell you a little bit about Sweet Tea. Sweet Tea is our first rescue horse. So Sweet Tea was in a bad relationship with her owner, and they couldn't feed her anymore. So when we got Sweet Tea, she was probably about 200 pounds smaller than this. And you can see all of her skin and bones, and she had a sad countenance. But here at Your Faith Farms, we have shown her some love and fattened her up, and you can tell she's been eating good. So she is 24 years old, and she is my daughter's horse. So we ride her at least 3 or 4 times a week, and we just show her love. So she's in a happy place now.
That's wonderful.
What does she eat?
So all of this is from grass.
Wow.
Yes, so the beautiful thing about horses and the beautiful thing about our property is we have enough grass to feed her. So she eats as much grass and hay as she can, and then we give them a treat every now and then just to say, hey, we love you. She loves when it's treat day, right? So when it's treat, she might get a little corn, a little molasses. We call it sweet feed. Sweet feed for Sweet Tea.
Hey guys, are you having fun? This is so wonderful. Now, I want you to take your books and I want you to find a horse that looks just like Sweet Tea. And I want you to touch the texture and you'll be feeling exactly what Sweet Tea feels like. All right? What is this?
This is one of our feeding horses. So when it's time to finally give Sweet Tea or some of the other horses that special treat, we put it in here. We do our best not to feed our animals on the ground. We want our animals, we treat them just like my wife teaches me. She wouldn't put my food on the ground. She puts it on the table.
That's right.
So this is the outside table for our animals.
Oh.
So we put that special treat in here. They can come on over and take their time and reach down and chew on that good food.
Wow, that's a nice place to eat. I like it.
So we call it a feeding trough.
A feeding trough.
Wow.
Thank you, Farmer Patrick and Old McDonald. That's great. So what, isn't it? I just heard a rooster, and what are these guys doing out here?
Yeah, so these are the rest of the horses out here, and our donkey. This is Freedom, our donkey.
Freedom?
Freedom.
Freedom. Wow.
That's Honey. That's my wife's horse. She looks just like Sweet Tea.
Mm-hmm.
And then the black and white is Smokey. That's my personal horse. I ride him.
Smokey.
And this is Hot Chocolate, my baby son's horse. And that's Root Beer going the other way. Root Beer, you're leaving us.
Root beer.
Yeah.
Oh, they are so beautiful. Guys, take a look at all the horses.
You guys want to see some sheep? I'll have them come out.
Hey, sheep. So guys, in your books, I want you to find there is a sheep in your book. So find the sheep in your book, and then let's look at the real thing.
This is
yeah.
Smokey. This is mine.
This is Smokey?
Yeah.
All right.
Oh,
My big boy. You're dropping water. But Smokey is super friendly, and they're obedient. Back back. Back back. Back back. Back back. Show me your leg. Come on. Good boy. Move it. Good boy. Back back. Reverse. Back back. Back back. Somebody's behind him, so they're so intelligent. He's like, if I keep going back, there's a horse there, right? So that's why he's trying to tell me, like, come on, really?
right. Wow.
So these are Suffolk sheep. Suffolk, Suffolk. So those sheep, we shear them for their wool and for meat. So they're dual purpose. I have a Katahdin sheep that I can show you on the other side where we only do just the meat. Then my cows are in the back. I don't know if they're... Here cows! It's so hot there. Don't go in yet. Get the video.
They say, man, it's hot out here in this
Yeah.
wool jacket.
So yes, cows! Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. So we'll see if the cows want to come or whatever. They're probably in the shade, like these are going right back to the shade. That's why they're creeping behind me like, here we go. Here we go. I see y'all, boy.
Did you get a good picture of them?
And you know, we're really about personality. Go baby, go ahead.
That's a baby. Oh.
Now this is the round for this group right here. This is Brother Bear.
Oh, so
He has a
on the
tail.
tail.
He's on the male side. And then Lion King is the male for that side. We'll go on that side, I'll show you Lion King.
Wow.
You probably can jack it. You can do about 25.
Wasn't that fun? Did you guys see those sheep?
Yeah.
And the cow? Did you hear Farmer Patrick call the cow? Guess what? And there's another horse. Is that hot chocolate?
That's Root Beer.
Root beer. Root beer. Old McDonald, how do you call your cows?
Well, you heard how Farmer Patrick called his, right?
Yes, yes.
Everybody's got their own way of doing it.
Okay.
For their own cows. His cows didn't come out then, did they?
Right, right.
It's hot. They're in the shade.
Ah.
You just have your own way of calling them.
Wow. So how, can you give me an example of how you call your cows?
You want me to try to call his like that?
Yeah, try it back. That'll come on up.
They're not gonna.
Wow.
Well, because it's so hot outside in Georgia right now, many of the animals are looking for shade. So during the day, they'll find shade and they'll just rest. And then as soon as the sun starts to set, you'll see them coming out to get that evening snack.
Can I try calling the cow?
Sure, give it a call. Now, the secret is, as you see, Old McDonald and myself, we took a deep breath. We let it get into our diaphragm and then we bolted out.
Okay.
So let's see what you got.
Are you ready, guys? Okay, you can call the cow with me here. I'm gonna try and call the cow.
Well, if I was a cow, I would have came running to them.
I tried. Why don't
Very
you
good.
give it a try?
They'll come. Keep trying.
Okay.
If at first you don't succeed, try.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. So, Farmer Patrick, this is a chicken, right?
Yes, so this is a chicken, and this is a female chicken called a hen. So the hens is the one where you get the eggs from every day. So right now, every day she'll give us an egg if she's happy. If she's not happy, she won't give us an egg. So what do you mean by happy? Well, if there's a hawk or a fox or a snake, they don't want to give eggs because the egg is their baby. And someone can eat their egg or their baby. So sometimes they'll hold their egg and won't let it out. So I think she's happy right now because we have eggs.
Wow, thank you.
Yes, so
And
this
does
is
she
a
have a
hen.
name?
Yes, her name is Helen the hen.
Hey, Helen. Hey, girl, you are so, thank you for your eggs. Thank you so much.
So friendly. So at Your Face Farms, we do our best to keep all of our animals just tame. We don't hit them, we don't swing on them, no electricity. So everybody's happy again. Happy life.
So if you have, in your book, you have a photo of a chicken. So I want you to find the chicken and touch the feather. And then let's look at the real thing. Here's Helen the hen.
Bye, Helen.
Woo! Thank you, Helen. Oh, McDonald, what in the world is that?
Miss Jackie, this is a bale of straw, hay. So all the farm animals like to eat this. It's just grass from out in the field that you cut and dry out and roll up and feed them. Maybe sometimes if it's raining, they want to be inside, or wintertime when you don't have any nice green grass like we got in the summertime. Good old bale of hay will go a long way.
Wow. Thank you, oh McDonald.
You just take that 'cause
This is a sunflower. Look at it. Look at it with your eyes. Isn't that beautiful? Sunflower. Oh, McDonald, this is very interesting. What kind of house is this?
I believe Farmer Patrick's made this a chicken coop.
Oh, wow.
See, he's got his net up here to where the chickens can feel comfortable eating and feeding. He's got a box down there that they can nest and lay their eggs.
Wow.
I believe that's Farmer Patrick's good chicken coop.
Chicken coop. Okay. Thank you, oh McDonald. Thank you. Wow.
This is Lion King. He is the ram for the Katahdin Dorper sheep. So I'm gonna open up the gate if you let me in. Let me in, man. Hey, bud, let me in.
Wow. That's a big boy.
You see, he's a big boy. Big wobble wobble.
What's his name again?
Lion King.
Lion King.
So our two rams are Lion King and Brother Bear.
Wow.
So this is a Katahdin Dorper sheep. So you see they don't have as much wool as the other sheep. So we don't have to shear them. Their wool will naturally just fall on off. So they have this section to eat. I kind of move them every couple of days. They'll eat all of this stuff down. This is good eating for them. So the bad sheep eat.
Hi guys, Are you having a great time? Oh my goodness, it feels so beautiful and warm out here. Actually, it's hot, so I put on my hat. But we're gonna take a walk onto the garden. Oh, McDonald, are you ready?
Let's go.
Let's go. Come on, guys, let's go. Walk into the garden, the garden, the garden. We'll walk into the garden. And Farmer Patrick is down there.
Okay, friends, we're going to go into the garden. But anytime you go through the garden, you have to come through the magic tunnel because in the garden is where magic happens. So come on through the magic tunnel. Here we go. Feel the magic.
Wow.
All right.
Oh, I can feel it.
Here's one of my favorite vegetables. It's the climbing spinach. And all year long, it'll keep on climbing all the way till about mid-October, okay? And so anyone that's wrinkly, you just take it, you pinch it off, and go for a bite. Mmm, so good. Have a try.
Oh.
Need to have a try? Good.
Okay, let's see. Let's try. You said it's wrinkly.
Mm-hmm. Wrinkly.
Wrinkly. Okay. Here I am. I'm gonna try it.
Just imagine you have a little vinaigrette in your pocket and you put it on that, you should be okay.
That is very good.
Well, since you like that, how about some of my cherry tomatoes?
Oh,
Now
woohoo!
the secret is you find one that's red, like that Corvette that you want to get, and it's full of juice. Ooh, I see a red one in there for me.
Let's see.
Oh, wow. Like that. Delicious.
I want to try one. Let's see.
Find you a red one.
If I can find a red. Oh, I always get really soft. Okay,
There you go.
here we go. Mmm, that is delicious.
Try that one, Old McDonald, see what you get.
That's very good. Very good.
In the garden is where magic happens.
I'm feeling magical.
So, as I was planting, I probably just didn't know I put this seed in here. So you see the string beans are growing. So this is what a string bean is. So your parents say, go pick the string beans. So that's the string bean. Sometimes you eat them just like that. Or sometimes they'll hold the peas. And there's the bean. See like that?
Wow.
That's a good old string bean. You can eat this or you can plant this. Okay?
Wow, okay.
Over here we have purple cabbage. Now the purple cabbage, some people eat it. Some people also use it as an ornament. So since Miss Jackie is so pretty today, we're gonna give you something to match.
Okay.
Here's a flower for you.
Thank you. Oh my goodness.
Some people give you roses. At Your Faith Farms, we give you cabbage.
I love it. Thank you, Farmer Patrick.
You're welcome.
Isn't that beautiful? And you can eat it.
Yes, you can eat it. Come on, let's see what else we have. So here are our fruit trees. They're young right now, but those are peach trees going down the side, apple trees in the middle, plums and pomegranate, and we have a couple blackberries that's already giving us some fruit.
Okay.
So come on down.
Wow. Haven't seen blackberries since I was a young girl.
So remember, in the garden, you have to go for a taste test. So you just find one like that, put it off, start knowing it. Oh my Lord.
Should I try one? Okay, let's see. This one right
Old
here?
McDonald's one right there too. Pour the whole thing. Just shake it a little bit.
Shake it?
Now, honestly, be ready for this.
Okay.
Go for it.
Here we go. That is so good.
What you think of McDonald's?
That makes some good jelly right
Yeah,
there.
and it's warm too because it's outside.
It's so good.
Yes.
Thank you.
Come on, we might
Farmer
have one more taste
Patrick. Let's
test.
see what else. Wow, I don't have to have lunch today.
Well, I thought I might have had some blueberries ready, but I think somebody's been picking them. So these are blueberries, but then I don't see any dark ones yet. They're still pinkish. But once they turn purple, they're ready. We call those almost apple trees and so forth.
Wow.
So the beautiful thing about farming and You just have to have patience. It doesn't happen overnight.
Oh.
You put a seed in the ground, you give it the right environment, and then you just have to wait. And then when the right environment happens, the right temperature, the right moisture, then you'll get your fruit. You gotta have patience.
And Farmer Patrick, we know a lot about patience, don't we, guys? And waiting for beautiful things to happen. What a beautiful garden you have.
Thank you.
Beautiful.
Well, you know, Miss Gussie's place can always come visit.
Oh, we'll be
Your
back.
farm. And bring my buddy, Old McDonald, with
I
him.
know, McDonald. He was just in Miss Gussie's place trying to find his cow.
Oh, wow. Sometimes my cows hop the fence too and go running down the road.
Yeah, well, he
We
was.
found ours.
You found
Yeah.
it.
We did.
Awesome.
Where was he?
He's on the playground.
On the playground.
All right, we're gonna sing a song, and I think we're gonna do a song. Let me see. What about? Old McDonald had a farm. All right, and we got two farmers here. We got Old McDonald. Give it up, Old McDonald, ladies and gentlemen. And look over here. We got Farmer Patrick. Give it up for him. And so we're gonna sing this song. Old McDonald, would you sing it with us? Here we go, everybody, sing it with me, come on. Old MacDonald had a farm. What do we say? E-I-E-I-O. Woo! And on that farm, he had a horse. Woo! E-I-E-I-O. What did a horse say, farmer? With a, what? Here, there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm, he had some sheep. E-I-E-I-O. With a,
Back.
and a,
Back.
what?
Back.
What? What? Oh yeah! Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm, he had some cows. E-I-E-I-O. With a
Moo.
here and there. Here.
Moo.
Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a little duck. E-I-E-I-O. With a
Quack.
and a
Quack.
and a
Quack.
Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for the farmers. Old Mac and Patrick. Woo! Yeah, take a bow, farmers. See you later. Guys, thank you so much. Did you enjoy the farm trip? Because we're gonna have to say goodbye to Farmer Patrick. Of course, Old McDonald's gonna come with me. We're gonna go back to his farm. But please say goodbye to Farmer Patrick. Hey there! Oh my gosh, did you see that? That's
Somebody
pretty cool.
doesn't want you to leave.
Oh, is that what it means?
Well,
Wow.
sometimes good things do come to an end, but we're just going to put a pause in it. So I thank you, Miss Jackie. I thank you, Old McDonald, for coming to Your Faith Farms. And I know I'm going to get a chance to see you guys soon.
Thank you so much, and give my love to all of the animals again. Thank them for us.
When I walk you guys out, I have to close the
Okay.
gate because, you know, sometimes the animals will follow good spirits and they'll
yeah.
be going down the road with you.
I would love to take root beer.
All right, take care.
Bye-bye, Farmer
Thank you, Patrick.
Thank you. That was wonderful, wasn't it?
That was great. Told you Patrick was a good guy.
You got great dreams over there. Hi guys, did you enjoy your day at the farm? Wasn't that magnificent? Oh my goodness, did you read along with your books? Let's see what we saw at the farm. All right, let's see. Yes, we saw horse, remember? Sweet tea, and we got to touch the texture. Did you touch? If you did, you can touch it right now with me. Let's see, what else did we see at the farm? Did we see a cow? No, remember? He kept calling the cows. Farmer Patrick called the cow. Old McDonald, I even tried to call the cow, but they never came out. But now you can look at your cow. You can look at your own cow. Now take your hand and let's touch and see what the cow feels like. Okay? And let's see what else did we see. Did we see a duck? Did you see a duck at that farm? I did not see a duck. So let's take a look at our ducks right now. Look at your duck. Or look at my duck. Now let's touch the feather. Are you touching your feather? That's what ducks feel like. No ducks at the farm today, but we have our own duck, don't we? And let's see, what else did we see? Remember the sheep? Yeah, we did see a sheep at the farm. And here's the texture of the sheep. We saw quite a few sheep, didn't we? And what about a chicken, right? Remember Helen the hen? We did see a chicken. Helen was kind of brown, right? And what about a goat? Did you see a goat? I did not see a goat. I did see a donkey. No goat. So let's take a look at our goat. Look at that goat. And let's touch your texture. Can you feel it? Yeah, our goat. So wasn't that a great day at the farm? And remember, there was another surprise. He took us to the garden. What did we see in the garden? What about, did you see some carrots? What carrots? What about beets? Did you see beets in the garden? No beets. You know, Rudy likes all of those things, but I didn't see a carrot. I didn't see any beets, but I saw some blackberries, some tomatoes were in the garden. And then remember the beans? There were some great things in the garden. So I'm so glad that you had a great time at the farm, but I want you to get ready for tomorrow, day 2. And tomorrow we're gonna go to Miss Gussie's land and we're gonna visit some new camp counselors that you've not met before. So you are going to really have some fun with these new camp counselors. They're gonna teach you a lot of new things. You're gonna be so excited. Now remember, you can watch the farm video over and over again if you want, all right? Because I love watching those sheep, okay? So you can do that, but right now we're gonna say goodbye and get ready for day 2. I love you. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye, everybody.